Laptop not turning on, don't worry, QuickFixTech is here to help. First, check your charger and cable, make sure everything is properly connected and not damaged. Second, try a different power socket. Sometimes the issue is just the outlet. Third, press and hold the power button for 15 to 20 seconds. This can reset your laptop power. Fourth, remove all USB devices and try again. Fifth, remove battery. If you can able to remove, otherwise we have to open whole laptop and then check by disconnecting battery and connect back again. If it still doesn't turn on, it could be a battery or internal issue. Better to get it checked. Follow, like and subscribe QuickFixTech for more easy tech solutions.